now in this video we're gonna stop in 7. So let's start. I am 1. I am playing the sun. 1 is my idea of fun. 1 little number. Now let's add another one. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I am 2. I am playing the sun. 2 dancing shoes is my idea of fun. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 dancing shoes. Now let's add another one. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I am 3. I am playing the sun. Juggling games is my idea of fun. 1 2 3 fruits. Now let's add another one. 3 plus 1 equals 4. I am 4. I am playing the sun. Square shapes is my idea of fun. 1 2 3 4. 4 sides. Ouch, 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 ouch. 4 corners. Now let's add another one. 4 plus 1 equals 5. I am 5. I am playing the sun. High five is my idea of fun. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 fingers. Now let's add another one. 5 plus 1 equals 6. I am 6. I am playing the sun. Dice roll is my idea of fun. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 dots. Now let's add another one. 6 plus 1 equals 7. I am 7. I am playing the sun. Rainbow is my idea of fun. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 rainbow colors. 7 different colors. Whee! And that's why we call 7 our lucky number. Means it has 7 different colors of the rainbow. That's why we call 7 a lucky number. So let's now count, write, and say. Count how many ants there are. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 ants are there. Here. Let's now count the cats. 1 2 cats. How many hens there are? Let's count. 1 2 3. 3 hens. And let's see how many balls there are. Let's count. 1 2 3 4. 4 balls. And the last one is a moon. Let's count how many moons there are. Let me count. 1. There is just one singular moon. Single number and plural number. We're going to learn this. Not to put this. So singular and plural are two different things. Single is a one single number. I have a one single brother. But he is still my brother. And kind of that way, this way, he crawls all around of the house. Standard of making girls new clothes. And plural is a double number. Means it has two things. Like 2 balls, 2 ants, 2 caps. So these are the things we can put. We can put 1 or 2 or single number or plural number. Like 1 ball, 2 balls, one cap, 2 caps. These are single and plural number. 1 is single and 2 is plural. So now we're gonna learn a little bit of the S. Let's start. So we can put a letter S, a middle or front of an sound, and we can put an S when it has many of things. We can put an S. We need to put an S when it has many things. So now we can go to the ES. We need to put an ES when it is a hissing sound. A hissing sound you need to put when the air is coming out from your mouth. Like bucks. The X sound is coming out, means it's part of the hissing sound. And there's more too. It has hissing sounds, these two, like double S, SAs, and CAs. I'm going to tell you a sound with SAs first. I mean double S first, like class. The air is coming out like a snake, and like dish. The air is coming out from the front of your mouth. And what is more of? Oh yeah, watch. The air is coming from your mouth is downside and upside of your mouth. Then you need to put an ES, like box, boxes, ox, oxes, like box, boxes, fox, foxes, branch, branches, watch, watches, and also like class, classes, glass, glasses, and the last one is dish, dishes. So these are the things I only know. Oh, and I also got of an X, ox, access. So let's go to your favorite part, the alphabet. So this alphabet is O. O for X. And ox letter and ox sound is ox. Ox. It's easy. The ox name is just O and X. Easy sound. The most favorite part, the story. So this story is the football match with. So this story name is a football match with ox. So we can see this. Picture. Hen is the goalkeeper, and ox are the player, and the goat was the player too. So hen was keeping eye on the ball. It's gonna shoot on the goal, but goat and ox didn't get the goal. But goat has the ball now. He give a kick and it get to ox. That is goat. The ox said. The goat was angry. He get an accident to pass the ball to ox. So ox has the ball. He used all his energy on his right foot and gave a kick. It flew overhead and hit the goal with head. And goat said to ox, "Wow, ox, how do you get this ring? You need to use exercise and healthy vegetables. I eat them. I'm a vegetarian." "Well, I'm a vegetarian too." And goat said to ox, "Ox, how do you become more strong?" "I'm a vegetarian. I eat vegetables. I can get strong with vegetables. Why didn't I get no strength?" The goat asked to goat. I mean to ox. And ox said to goat, Only you think vegetables will make you strong. You have to do lots of exercise and eat healthy every vegetables." And hen said to ox, he has a headache, and tell to ox, "Can you be more careful with me, ox?" He lied down and closed his eyes. Ox and goat laughed at it. So that's what happened. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you in our next episode. Bye.